Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Behind the Fame podcast. Today, I want to share a super easy and beginner-friendly way to earn some extra income online: affiliate marketing. Make sure you stay until the end because I have something very special for you. So, what is affiliate marketing? It's basically a partnership between you and a company. You promote their products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Now, the great thing is, you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. All you have to do is share your affiliate link with your audience, friends, family, social media followers, anyone who might be interested. Here's how you can get started in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Choose a niche. Find a topic you're passionate about. It could be beauty, fitness, technology, or anything else. Select products or services related to that niche to promote. Step 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Search online for companies that offer affiliate programs in your chosen niche. Sign up for their program and get your unique affiliate link. Step 3. Share and earn. Start sharing your affiliate link through your social media, blog, or any other platform. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. And there you have it. A simple way to dip your toes into the world of affiliate marketing. Just remember, honesty is key. Only promote products you genuinely believe in and always disclose your affiliate relationship to your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and other ways to earn income online, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Until next time, happy earning!